Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2017 Sorento LX all-wheel drive. Has fog lights, signal repeaters, roof rails, and that big green sticker in the upper right-hand corner of the windshield means that this Kia qualifies under the Kia Canada Certified Pre-Owned program. Something you may want to ask our business manager about, the features and benefits that are available to you should you purchase this car. The car also has aluminum wheels. Going down the side, sign on the window says Sirius XM is on, which means that you get 3 months of Sirius XM radio to try it out. Of course, power windows, locks and mirrors, some of the controls. Steering wheel has audio and cruise controls as well as other functions. The Sorento LX only has 24,931 kilometers. AM/FM radio with Sirius, climate control, heated cloth seats, a couple of charging ports, and an auxiliary and USB input, and a lock for the all-wheel drive, rear parking sensors, and also a drive mode select. This car has cloth seats. The driver's side is height adjustable. In the rear, plenty of room for your passengers. It's also a 60-40 split seat, which does fold down to give you even more room to carry anything you need to carry. The rear of the car, there's a lot of room back here. You could carry groceries, you could carry sports equipment, you could carry any kind of outdoor gear you need to go and enjoy yourself. Plenty of room for that back here. This 2017 Kia Sorento LX all-wheel drive is available at West Coast Kia. We're open 9 to 9 Monday to Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 on Sundays. Come on down, take this car out for a test drive. The best way to make an informed decision about any vehicle you're considering is to actually drive the vehicle. So we invite you to come down, bring your family, and see how well this Kia Sorento LX will fit into your life.